First place, Iceman. Second place, Maverick. 2 points behind. 284's left 10 o'clock level. Continue left turn. Good morning, gentlemen. The temperature is 10 degrees. Holy shit, Viper! Viper's up here. Tricky.
What are you doing?
Right. He's probably saying, holy shit, it's Maverick and Goose. Yeah, I'm sure he's saying that.
So sleepy.